Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy XRP on Bitvavo. And this is very simple to do, and I will show you as quick as possible how we can buy this. Alright, first of all, open your Bitvavo app, and if you go right in the bottom to wallet, make sure that you log in to one of your wallets or just your wallet where you have available balance, and that means that you have above €5 because that is the minimum that you need to buy for every single coin. Then after this we go to assets, and then on assets we search here at the search bar for XRP. Oh, XRP, like this. Then you have it right here, so we click here on XRP, and now you see here the chart of XRP. I don't have any XRP, so we want to buy this. So now I click here on buy, and then you need to know that you can fill in the amount of euros that you want to buy. The minimum is €5, so keep that in mind. So we can click here on 5, and then we can buy 2.6 XRP. Now you can also change it, because if you click here on the 2 arrows, you can also fill in here how many XRP you want to buy. So let's say 100 XRP, that will cost you €190. Now we throw it back, we delete everything, and I want to buy just €5 of our XRP. So right now if I click on preview order, you see here the price where I will buy XRP for. And then right now we click here on buy XRP, and right now we just purchased XRP. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.